Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I'm going to be doing a collaboration with today with Mini Scenes GB, Tracy over there, and the Crafty YouTubers United. It's a Christmas collaboration and I'm going to be using this mould. I got this mould from Amazon and I believe it's a cake mould. Could be wrong there, don't quote me on that. And it's a deconstructed Christmas tree. I'm going to be using Aquacast and we'll be putting it together. See what it's like. I've never used it before. It's been waiting for this collaboration. I'll get my Aquacast mixed up and I'll be right back with you. Right, I've mixed 300 grams of powder and 125 grams of water. I'm just going to colour it now. Pretty sure I just saw an air in it. Right, I'm going to be using some of the resin creep pigments and see how we go with those. I'm going to put a few drops in. That seems like quite a lot. Right, they've been left for a day, so I think it's time to demould. I don't know which one to go for first. Oh, that's cute. Tiny little air bubble there. Very nice. Take this one out. Wow, they come out easy. There we go. Get the base out. Got a bit of pigment. You're not going to see that because that's going to go on top of it. Yeah, they come out very easy. Right, let's get rid of that. Right, let's try and put them on top of one another and see what we're working with. I don't know why. Excuse me, I am sorry. I don't know why, but I expected it to be bigger. Should have started with that. Oh, that's actually very pretty. I'm going to see if I can show you. That's actually very pretty. Don't know if you can see the gradient in colour very well. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wax it with this wax and then we'll get to fixing it together. Okay, they've all been sanded now and waxed, and I'm just going to put them together. Now there is one problem. I'm very confused by this star. Right, this is the top piece of the tree. Does it go on that way? Because that looks very strange. Does it go on that way? Because that looks very strange. Is it a shooting star? Does it go on like that? I've sat here looking at it for the last 5 minutes thinking, what on earth am I going to do with that? So what I've done is, we all have these little pieces like extra resin we fill moulds up. I've got little pieces, so I've got this star and I thought that would be better. I don't know. See, wonder what you think. I'll glue it on anyway. I'll glue that on. But I mean, perhaps it's a shooting star. I find that very, very odd. I would really love to know what you think. Actually, I'm gonna leave it off, and if you can comment and tell me what you think. Is it a shooting star? Because that looks extremely odd to me. Just let me know. I'll temporarily stick that one on just for the photos. Right, let's get to gluing. Enough jibber jabber. And we'll stick, I'm using hot glue, and I'll stick the bottom one on first. Put plenty on. Try and get it central, that's the thing. I'm going to turn that round, then I can get it central. There we go. I'll speed you up for this. As you can see, I struggled with the base there, and I just realised I waxed the top of the base. So if that comes off again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand the top of the base and then glue it. So there we go. That's actually really nice. Now, I bought these from the Works here in the UK, and the battery operated. They just flash like that. I just thought they were a decent size, so I'm gonna try and drape these around the tree if I can get them off. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'll take this time to say, please use the link for the playlist and have a good look. I just really think everybody's going to make something fantastic. You can have hours of good crafting fun. They're worth having a look. Check it out, that'd be wonderful. Right. Now, how's the best to do this? I didn't realise they were in a loop. That's actually really cute. I know you can't see it yet, but I will show you, I promise. Right. Can you see? I wish the wire wasn't black, that would be wonderful. That is really cute. And with the star on makes it even bigger. You can see from the size of my hand how big it is. Hey, yeah, that's very cute. Right, well, I'm going to take some photos so you can see it properly. And I'll post them at the end. Thank you ever so much for watching, and Merry Christmas everybody. I hope you have a lovely, lovely time. And thanks ever so much for watching. Don't forget, check out the playlist. See you soon. Bye.